The ultimate Giltcom review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you love designer fashion but hate paying full price, here's the surprising truth. Most people don't know how to shop luxury smart. Giltcom is a members-only online shopping platform offering discounted apparel, accessories, home goods and more from well-known brands. First, sign up for a free membership. You won't believe how quickly you gain access to limited time sales featuring popular designers at reduced prices. These events change often, so checking daily can help you catch the best deals. Next, use filters wisely. Sort by size, price, brand for category to avoid scrolling endlessly. Most people waste time browsing everything, but the pro move is narrowing down exactly what you want. Choose handbags, jackets or home decor. Before adding to cart, review product details carefully. Check measurements, materials and shipping timelines. Some luxury items move fast and numbers may be limited. Reading reviews on similar brand pieces can help you choose the perfect fit. A great tip, set alerts on your favorite brands. You won't believe how satisfying it feels to catch the drop the moment something you love goes on sale. Be mindful of return policies. Some items are eligible, others final sale. Shopping smart means only buying what you truly want and will use confidently. In conclusion, Giltcom can take you from zero to pro in luxury bargain hunting. By browsing frequently, filtering smartly, and choosing pieces with intention, you can build a stylish wardrobe without stretching your budget. Fashion should be fun and saving money, while looking amazing is always in style.